Alrighty.
KD.
What it do?
Oh man, it's going very well, brother. Happy Monday to you.
And happy Monday to you too, brother.
Happy Monday. I appreciate you making some time for me so we can get this going and start the process of laying out what we've been working on. We've been talking about cryptocurrency forever, and we talk about it, we dabble in it, and I shared with you that I felt like automation was one of the more enlightening things that I had come across in cryptocurrency, and was like, man, how do we get bots? How do we create these situations where we can trade automatically and don't have to be so caught up in watching the trades and the charts all night, all day, and taking also the emotion out of trading, because when you're trading manually, when you're placing and exiting your own trades, there's some
recording right now?
Of course.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do gotta click the Zoom button though. Go ahead, you some time?
Give me 1 second. Yes, just because I have this customer.
As you do it.
Recording in progress.
Let me turn that on too. Okay, there we go. Just put it like this then. All right, cool. So we've been talking about this crypto forever.
Yep.
And it was time to just build it out ourselves. I'd always planned on taking some money and having a software developer, hey, here's 50 grand, here's 75 grand. Build this, because I know enough about crypto and trading to say if it does these things, okay, it should be successful, or at least people should be able to try it and take a run at it. So it's all automated, and then it was like, yo, I told you I came across that class. You saw I came across that class, computer programming class.
Yep.
For Python. I was like, all right, let me just see what's up with this. Dove in and built us, our very own trading bot. And so what we ended up with.
Nope, not yet. There we go. Popping up. There we go. Ooh.
Oh. Oh. So yes. So this is the Skybot.
Okay.
Version 2722. It's real. It's happening. So, and what you're looking at right now is essentially the computer software that I designed and or built, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. And it trades cryptocurrency for me. And it's designed to do several things. So in this upper left-hand corner, we have, 2 different exchanges that you can customize. We have Binance here and BitMEX to show you 2 different exchanges at one time that you can grab information from, because essentially what the program is doing is it's pulling information from the exchanges, and then it's making calculated decisions based upon how you've set your parameters and specifications. And so part of that information gathering process obviously is the current price point. So at any given time, you just type in, we'll go with Bitcoin here and see what the current price of Bitcoin is. 41,651 on the bid, 41,665 on the ask.
Yeah.
You want to check out Ethereum, very popular coin that I love to trade. Boom, there's your prices. So you have something that shows you live prices, so you can have a watch list, so to speak, while you're using the program. And then in the lower left-hand corner, this small module is showing you the recent activity in terms of entering, exiting trades, and what were the results. So you can see right here, my last transaction was a long signal on Ethereum for the 30-minute chart, blah, 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 today. And the transaction before that was a take profit on Ethereum from this price to that price. So you can go back in the history and see everything that your bots have been doing and what's going on in terms of what the status is.
So all the whole craze of people buying crypto, I mean, Jakari's had me buying Doge and all types of shit. This is just automates it all for you.
This automates it. What this does is it separates your trading style. Buying and hodling, HODL, holding, essentially is one way to go about it. And that's just kind of what you're talking about. Your normal
Yeah,
consumer, that which God bless you, you're in crypto is great. You know, however, you're not optimizing your ability to create more coins. You're not trading per se. You're buying, and it'll go up one day. You're hoping it goes up one day, or it's been going up slowly one day. But those are just individual investments that you're kind of looking at. Those aren't really going out and working for you, multiple times a day. What this is doing is saying, okay, I'm not just going and getting Doge because it's hot in the news right now. I have a bot running within Doge on the Binance platform, trading it every day for me so I can accumulate more Tether, so I can accumulate more coins, so I can accumulate more Doja, not just, hey, I'm going to just putting this amount of money from my paycheck in once a month, which is great, but putting your money in to do what? What's it doing once it's going in there? It's subject only to what the system is doing. This is going into the system and working.
So this is throughout the day, just going for the best.
Yeah, 24/7, because the crypto market doesn't close. It's 24/7, 7 days a week, 24/7. So that's how you can kill yourself trying to be a manual trader in crypto, because there's no hours to it. You can literally stay up all night, every night, looking for opportunities and exercising ideas. And I experienced that, and that's not the way to go. That's why we got
remember that
automation now. It's not
a lot of 3 a.m. texts.
it's not. That's not it. And so that's kind of your informational side over here. What you have happening right here are actual trades that have been entered and exited. So you see the coin here, ONE, against USDT on the Binance exchange, the breakout strategy. It went long, bought this much, closed, and here's the P&L showing you how much you made. This is a relatively small account, but you can see all these trades are closed in a relatively short amount of time, and it's all profit, all pluses. So that's the proof of concept right there that shows that you can come up with a scenario where you can put X amount of coin in, and X amount of coin can grow to however many times the bot can find an opportunity to create a profit. And so that's what's being shown right here. So you have all that information right there. And here up top are the actual strategies. These are what you could affectionately call the actual bots. Each one of these lines represents a sub-program that underneath the umbrella of this program is going into the exchange, and based on these parameters that we're setting right here is looking for opportunities and executing. So I'm going to turn off the bots right now. This is all, don't mind the graphics. This is all homegrown. So that's phase 2 is getting the user interface upgrade to something that's pretty and nice. But for now, this gets the job done. So we're going to turn off these bots, and as you can see in the status over here, something's happening, right? As I turn these buttons off.
Yep.
All right. So now all the bots, they're not doing anything, right? So let's do this. Let's get rid of these two and focus on 2 bots. You mentioned Doja.
Yeah, Doge.
You see how I can just go to my click down here and pick any coin that's on the exchange. All right, that was pretty simple. Let's restart the bot and see if we get any action. Click the on button. Let's go ahead and restart this bot on Ethereum. People are pretty familiar with Ethereum at this point. We'll go Ethereum USDT. We'll bring this time frame down to 5 minutes so we can get some fast action. Parameters, we'll keep those at 0 and validate the minimum volume. Turn it on. Ethereum, 5 minutes started. Okay, so it's that easy and simple to start a bot.
Yeah.
It's not rocket science. It is computer science, but it's not complicated. It's pretty easy. And so now we have the bots running, and I'm gonna put this in the background. And what we're gonna attempt to do right now is send the application through API connect it to your account, and execute some trades that we're going to pull up right here on a separate instance of the application.
All right.
All right. You got your API queued up.
Yeah. One moment. So I just create this key.
Yeah. You're going to create a new API and then just step through it slowly, because when they show it to you, you got to make sure you copy it from that page, because they only show you the secret one time.
Okay. So I click create, right?
Yep.
What's a key label?
You got to name it.
Oh, okay. BillyBot.
You said BillyBot?
BillyBot.
BillyBot? Okay. Is that what you want to name your bot? That was going to
Yep.
be one of my next questions, was what do you want to name your bot?
BillyBot for sure.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Let me see here.
Yeah, this is super secure.
Oh, yeah. 2FA. 2FA, brother.
Okay.
That goes over here. And yeah, bro, if anybody had told me I would be the one building this, I said you're crazy.
Yeah. I mean, when you told me, I was pretty shocked.
I'm just gonna hire somebody.
Really, I'm sitting there. I know a lot of these people into this crypto shit, and it's a lot of work. And I'm like, wait, you're about to automate it.
They got to give it up. Okay. I think we're good here. Let me just.
Oh wow, the thing while it bought, I think it bought some ethereum.
Did it? Oh, it did. How about that? Live and in color. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Let me get the let me get your start command pulled up real quick here. And so what we're going to do now is I'm going to take down Skybot, okay? Minimize that. And we're going to run BillyBot.
BillyBot.
Yeah. You see the screen?
It's still on the Skybot.
Okay, we're gonna stop sharing that.
Here we go.
And we're gonna share what just popped up, bro. Can you see that?
Oh, howdy.
That's your man's?
That's my man's.
All right, so let's.
Like he ready to get Billy right now.
BillyBot. So, I mean, what you want to do? You want to add some strategies? What coin you want to play? You want to just go play it safe and do some Bitcoin or Ethereum? Do you want to do some research and look at your phone and just pick a coin and see what happens? What do you want to do?
I mean, I really want that non-starter pack.
Okay,
You
okay.
know, the Skybox starter
You want,
pack.
okay? You
That
want
seems like the best.
you want the Sky Boost,
Yes, the Sky Boost pack.
the Sky Boost pack.
One of those, please.
Oh, no problem, no problem. That's we can get you off to a good start right away. All right. So first of all, let's get some prices up here and just you always want to know what's going on. Where are we at? Okay. What is going on in the market? You can kind of always tell with these two big dogs. All right. Got it. Let's play the breakout custom design Bitcoin USDT. We'll put it on a 30-minute. We'll start with 10% of your USDT balance. We want to keep it. We want to keep it light and fast. So I'll have a smaller take profit, and we'll put the stop somewhere around 5% for now, and the minimum volume to enter a trade so that we can get in. We'll have it zero. Zero really, in my opinion, should only be used for a volume parameter with these two coins. Between Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's always, hundreds of millions of dollars of volume in the coin. However, with some of the other smaller coins, you want to be careful and pay attention to your volume parameters so that your bot's not entering trades only based on the candles, but also on the volume parameter here, because you don't want to get caught in a coin that's got a lot of volatility, but it doesn't have enough people in it trading over time to secure the fact that you may be able to get out. You might get stuck in the trade. So that's what volume is for. But again, it works for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Zero is fine. Let's click the on button. All right, we got a BTC strategy started. Let's get some Ethereum going. Do you have your alerts on your phone for Binance turned on?
Let me log
into Ethereum.
Get that.
We'll do Ethereum on a
US
15-minute time frame. That should be good.
Okay. I'm getting the proper app now. If you're using Binance, people do not get confused between regular Binance and Binance.us.
Don't do it.
Just throw me for a loop.
Don't do it. All right. All right, so now we just wait on some volatility.
Okay. Get in. Two-factor.
The 2FA.
Okay, I'm getting logged in there. Oh, we're back. Howdy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I need about 5 minutes on the login, but
Okay.
it's there.
What they say?
It's just so complicated. They sent, I verified it through the Safari, and then when I went back, the thing didn't move anywhere. So then I just clicked go back to login. Now it's saying you got to wait.
On the phone?
Yeah,
Wow. Okay. Well, it looks like BillyBot's doing something.
yeah. I'm trying to pull up the because on like my Binance. Oh, something's happening. Very good. So even with no funds, it trades.
You obviously have some funds in there.
Wow, must have some sort of stock.
Something's in there.
I know I used it before. I've had to buy something before.
Then they hit you with the 5 minute lockout on the login, huh? 5 minutes.
Okay. All right.
2 minutes, Katie.
That do you thizzle.
Okay. You there, Katie?
There we go. My bad.
There he is.
All right. Looks like Trailer's about to get on board with content day.
Okay, come on, Triller. Get on board.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, come back home.
Come back home.
Says my internet.
Hold on 1 second. Hello.
Oh, you good, bro? What you looking at? Like,
You get into your Binance?
yeah, I mean, I'm on it on the computer.
Excellent. So you can go into your transactions and what do you
Yeah,
see?
just where's transactions? Let's see, wallet, trade, trade history. Trade history.
Yeah, try that.
Says no records. Let me see.
I could direct you easily on the phone app, but I can't see what you see on the unless you want to share your screen.
Oh yeah. Right. Oh, you got to give me access to.
I gotta stop it. Okay, let me see. Stop share. And I think I gotta click like participants and make you like.
What it do, brother?
Hey. 1 sec here. Get this. Hey, how you doing? I'm good, thank you. Okay. Kinda. Hey, Heather.
Hi.
What's going on?
I hear you're about to show some amazing shit here.
Oh yeah. We're about to show you guys something amazing. And so I believe Katie, you and I, we left off at the part of the process where we needed to get some tether going, right?
Correct, the moon go. You're in there, sir.
All right, cool. So open up your USDT wallet.
This one or the
USDT.
oh gosh. Okay.
Get the deposit information for that. Click those three dots. No, they didn't say deposit. Click that.
It's just not. Is
It
it
doesn't do
deposit or
nothing?
withdrawal?
Deposit.
You want me to deposit, right?
Yeah, deposit. KD's back. KD's back.
All right.
Had some technical
My bad.
difficulties.
Clearly,
Yeah.
life fucking sucks.
Yeah. We're good though. Let me
So is it? I go under deposit, right?
Yeah. Let me make you a host again so you can share your screen. All right, you the host. You do your thing.
Bam.
Okay. All right. So on my end right here, let's see if I can just get us. It's out the way. Okay. Yo, this little bar is bugging me. Okay. There we go.
Oh.
All right. So here we go.
Annoying ass spam.
Okay, so I'm about to scan your wallet address with my phone here.
Okay.
Everything's in. Wow, and they on that rate too, but it's okay. Taking a screenshot of what they charging these days. So now I gotta enter my 2FA, my Google authenticator code, right? So it's literally just a place where you go to get your code. And the code changes every minute.
Yeah, I peeped that.
Okay. Boom. All right. So my request was submitted from Binance, my Binance account, to the system. So we should see in a second or two what happens, and you should have some money pop up in your USDT wallet. And what I'm gonna point out right now that I took a screenshot of, which is crazy, which is why how people really lose money in crypto, is that, I'm not sure if you can see that,
What did it say?
that you're gonna get 40 tether, and they're charging me 40 tether for moving it.
It'll be big.
So I just sent 80. You're gonna get 40, and they picked off the other half.
We got half of it.
Quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Getting $8 for sure, for sure.
Oh man, let me tell you. Okay, so we should be good here. While this it's got 4 of 12 confirmation, so it'll be done in a second. So I gotta say, while this is pending, man, how can BillyBot be the Brand Brothers bot?
Oh, see, okay, thank you, sir.
How do you brand a trading bot?
So here's where I'm at. I'm having not what you call for a brand, this would be a midlife crisis, right?
Yeah.
Because they just changed the whole Staples Center to crypto.com.
Right in front of you.
Right in front of me. They changed Facebook to Meta.
Right in front of you.
I got an Oculus. I'm in the VR. So,
yeah.
Brand Brothers, I just already feel like it just feels old to me. And I don't like that. I don't want to be old. So now I've been trying to revamp. So I'm going to show you something real fast.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I don't know. So it's our deck, but it's for content day. But if you could just see it and imagine that this is our new brand overall, that's really the key thing here. Let me show you. So all that to say is that our first big launch with our whole new direction, I would love it to be this crypto bot because it's something that motherfuckers would download, and I want to be able to, the key thing I'm sure for both of us is being able to track who downloads it and try to create a community off of that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we have like maybe a Discord. In the Discord, we fucking, everyone that downloads it, they are in a Discord chat, we set it up like these motherfuckers have crazy ass, just for me to play Pokemon with niggas that play Pokemon like me. I'm in some crazy rooms and they're formatted like fucking military camps, you know what I mean?
Military camps.
Literally, dude, just for Pokemon. But do you see this right here?
Okay, I see you.
So, first of all, this is our new logo.
I see. Okay.
Right?
New logo.
We have our new website is going to be bbusa.io. It's already made.
Okay.
Right? So we're just trying to move over. Now you see this colorway, right?
Yeah.
We're going to play with rainbow colors. How do I say? Like every single color that there exists, we're bringing it into a world like this. I don't know how to describe it, but all of our promotion is going to have fire-ass colors in it, kind of like this here.
Okay.
And so for Brand Brothers, like our Instagram, everything's about to be changed in white, brand new. I'm about to repost all of our old content, but in a whole new format, like no longer just posting videos to post a video. It's going to have a full color background and all that shit. You feel beautiful.
Looks amazing.
Okay.
Beautiful. So this is like the Brand Brothers USA circle right here in the bottom right.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like everything just has to feel new and different. So when we do this relaunch, I just want to go ghost for a little bit, right? Because we already got Tyson in the back pocket. So when we come up with new updates on that, that's going to be fire. But I want this now to be like when we post videos, dude, there's going to be an actual TV as the border, right? Or like it's gonna feel, or maybe it feels like you just put on a VR and then it plays our video. You feel me? Like no more this reality that we've been in. Like I want to go fully into the future.
Yeah, let's go.
If that makes sense.
That makes perfect sense, and I can see it. This looks clean.
Perfect. So obviously this is for content day, but the design on it and the direction is literally our new brand.
Yeah.
Because this is just beautiful.
I see what you're doing.
Thank you. And so with all that to say is like the crypto bot, we launch it, people start downloading it, that shit becomes big. I want it to become popular, and motherfucker, it will be, because we have so many people.
Withdrawal successful.
People close to us are doing this shit like clockwork. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if we launch it, then that takes us, that takes us to a whole new world.
You got some monies in there?
I got some monies.
Man, share your screen, man. Share the win. That's a
I'm
win.
sharing it right now.
Gotta celebrate the wins.
There we go.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Got some dollars in there.
I just got smacked for $40. That's all right.
I appreciate you, sir.
That's all good, man. We gotta get through the
You'll get
process.
your dividends back.
Man, listen, it's about to start trading now, Papa. I already know. It's about to go. So it's all good. All right, perfect. So now what we're gonna do is now that we got some USDT in there, the USDT is your stable coin. You can go off of the screen share now. I'm gonna fire up the BillyBot.
Bam, BillyBot. So
we're gonna close down Skybot here.
BillyBot.
Skybot's out of there.
Yeah, you get to name your bot. His is Skybot.
Oh, that's dope.
But yeah, pretty much, dude. We just want to be, responsible for. We want to partner with you and Donco, and whatever entity you want to release this through, and we just we want to be the ones that educate people and actually roll it out. You know what I mean? Like, you'll be the one that fucking does the videos, but we want to help roll it out. If that makes sense, you know what I mean? Like,
it makes perfect sense
right here. Huh?
It makes perfect sense.
Yeah, like we just want to do some of the groundwork, because I know if I have this, then I could go to Twitter now and go crazy.
What?
I'd be like, yo, this is what we just did in the crypto space. And there's going to be people at home on Twitter like, whoa, what? You did what? I could download it for what? And then, bam, we got new friends. A whole new community is going to be literally
It's going to go crazy.
Literally. Bro, when you showed Megan this shit, she lost her mind, dude.
I do remember that.
And I'm not going to lie, I think she figured out how to make NFT generator.
Perfect.
I think she's been working on Python all day, and she's already had all these assets, and so she has it right now where it's randomizing her assets.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I told you. It's not rocket science. It's just putting the system in place.
Literally going in there and putting it in place.
When you do that testing or that class, when you do that class,
which one? The Python thing? Yeah, facts.
Let me get the host back so I can share the screen.
Yep.
Don, next time, just when you go to share screen, you see that little carrot
Where?
button on the share screen button on your side.
Share.
There's a little carrot.
Yeah, there's a little carrot.
Okay, click that, and then click multiple people can share.
Oh, for sure.
That way you don't have to change hosts.
Oh, that's a win. Booyah.
I learned that because I'm a teacher.
Hey, no, thank you for that. That was snazzy.
Yeah.
I put that right in my pocket.
Yeah, she's the Zoom specialist.
I had to teach on Zoom, so I learned some things.
All right, the BillyBot.
You see him?
I do see the BillyBot.
All right, I just gotta move this. I don't know why this keeps trying to do this weird thing. Okay, this is fine like this. All right, so let's fire up the BillyBot. What did we say we was gonna do? Some Ethereum.
Yep, I'm with it.
All right, let's start with Ethereum. Gonna click
I got faith in Ethereum.
strategy. Strategy that we're gonna select is breakout. The contract, which is the coin, is going to be Ethereum USDT, which is ETH USDT. Bam. Time frame 15 minutes. Let's go with 50% of your of your situation.
Okay.
And then let's just put the stop loss at something very generous so that we can get some trades going. Parameters, 0 volume necessary. Ethereum's a Bitcoin. Click the on button. Breakout strategy started.
It's on.
It's on. Now let's add Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Breakout. BTC. USDT. Oh, that's USDC. USDT. And
fucking future.
15 minutes. We'll go 50. parameter 0, and then okay. Now let's check the terminal to see what the activity is. All right, so we're showing a clear start, a very clean start, and so now we're just literally waiting for opportunities. That's the only thing I want to make sure we see. Let's let me see here. We just did Bitcoin and Ethereum. No, we can leave it there for now. We'll put some prices in here. What you guys like, the Doja coin? Some Doja coin in here.
Yeah, Doge treated me right for a little bit.
What's Doge costing these days? Let's see.
Made a little flipper doodle.
Yeah, how much is
14 cents.
Oh, that's good. Let's get in there.
Yeah.
You want to get in the Doge?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay, so.
Because when we bought him last time, it was 22.
Yep.
Okay.
So that's good.
We'll do Doge.
I'm in my Binance.us account.
Okay.
And I got my $40 right there.
Wow.
Fire. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And on the phone.
Boom. Okay, we're gonna run a breakout on what do you say, Heather? You want to see Doja coin?
Yes.
It's the Doja. Doja USDT.
I love the Doja.
You love the Doja? Okay.
Doja.
Let's do it. Turn them on. Ooh, missing. See, I got an error over here, right? See, it says missing minimum volume parameter. That's what happens if you try to run the breakout strategy and don't put in a minimum volume.
Oh.
Mm.
Very good.
All right. There we go. So you now have 3 bots running, one on Doge, one on Bitcoin, and one on Ethereum. And you can run as many as you want to an extent that your processing power can handle it. And you can, as you can imagine, get very custom with the different selections you have here in terms of the time frame that you may want to be on, in terms of the balance amount, in terms of your take profit point, in terms of the stop loss. If you get into technical here, if you start to understand these different indicators, you can enter manual parameters and it will use those to validate whether or not to take a trade or to not take a trade. So it's
impressive, sir.
Thank you.
Thorough.
Thank you.
So this $40 in my account should just be start doing shit.
Yeah. As soon as we get some market volatility, we will we'll definitely see some action. And I don't know if you and I will be online, but I'm glad we got this part done.
Yeah.
Live
to get the process going.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm excited to see it.
But it's running and it's gonna be running. So
I'm so
that's crazy.
That's that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Don.
And if we start doing this thing, then we're going to keep feeding
BillyBot
out there.
The BillyBot.
Quick 100,000 real
I
quick.
feed it every Friday.
You gonna feed it every Friday?
Every Friday.
I love it. I love it. Feed the BillyBot every Friday.
Every Friday.
I think Billy would like that.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna.
I was just wrapping up with Don.
Hey. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
What's happening? What's happening? Yeah.
Hello. So.
Oh man, NFTs got to be a part of the business model. It's money in them there hills.
Fucking clearly.
And then Megan do the randomizer and 10,000.
It's fucking crazy.
How many you need? That's the question.
You want it? I got it.
Gotta make that.
Yeah.
Bro, I just need you to start drawing a whole bunch of eyes. It's just random facial attributes. Very good. I'll put, we'll just do an NFT group chat with everyone that's going to be involved. All right, let me wrap this up with John, and I will hit you a little bit, brother. All righty.
Yeah. So yeah, we about to wrap it up. You just got to get confirmation from you, the client, on your trade on your end. I just want to see on your end if the trade went down, because what I'm showing right here on the screen. Let me share this with you so you can see what I see. I didn't know. I apologize. I'm assuming you can see the BillyBot. Okay. There you go.
The BillyBot. Yep, that looks accurate.
Can you see the action? So this is the trade that was placed right here. It was open. It'll change the close and tell you the result once it's done. Over here.
Sorry.
Oh, you good? Over here is everything that's happened so far in terms of status. So you see you're getting your signals are coming in, and right here is where that buy order happened. Long signal on BTC USDT 15 minute. Right here, BTC USDT 15 minute. BTC USDT. This is on the 15-minute strategy, and it's playing these variables that you input. And so I just want to. What do you see on your end? What does it show you your transaction?
We did a trade for 4 cents.
Do you see? No, you're down 4 cents right now.
Yes, because we bought into something that is expecting to flip, I assume, right?
Yes, you bought into Bitcoin with USDT.
Yeah. So now I got a little bit of Bitcoin.
Got a little bit of Bitcoin, and the bot is holding it and waiting for the proper time to exit for a profit.
That's crazy.
To bring back the USDT. What's that?
Is that why that P&L number keeps moving on the side on the BillyBot?
Yes.
Because it's like
the price is changing. The price is changing.
So when it gets to like,
let me put Bitcoin in here.
That's so fucking cool.
So your P&L is tied to this number right here.
Yeah.
This 41,000 number. As that moves, the P&L number will adjust.
Facts.
You're going long, so you want the price to go up. And it's going to go up and down, up and down. It's going to bounce, up and down, and then eventually it'll move strong enough one way or another for one of the exits to be triggered. And over time, the idea is to obviously stack up as many wins as you can versus the losses, or eliminate losses altogether.
That's fucking cool, dude.
Can we see? I want to see on your side on Binance if the transaction registered in your account.
Yep. Like I see the BT market right here. Order has been filled at an average price of whatever the price was. I don't know how to say all that. But yeah, 4:33 p.m. and that matches this thing right there, the BillyBot. That's pretty accurate. It's pretty cool.
Can we see on your web screen on Binance US? Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I think you had to stop sharing your screen.
Okay, remember we were trying to look at that earlier?
Nope, you're good.
Oh, we're good? Okay.
Yeah. Let me hit refresh. Bam. So we got that there. Order history. Now we got some order history now. Huh?
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, remember we didn't have order history earlier.
Huh?
Remember we didn't have order history earlier.
No, that was not working. Yeah, that was 0.
Had to do some troubleshooting.
Yeah, that's fucking cool, dude.
That's amazing.
Share the screen so I can see it.
Huh?
I want to share the screen so I can see your transaction.
Oh, you can't see?
Maybe I do got to stop sharing.
Tell him to stop sharing.
Yeah, stop sharing.
There you go. Go for it.
I'm sharing it now.
Yeah. Yeah. I see the transaction. 1633. That's the BillyBot says 1633, right?
BillyBot.
Working.
All right. Now we need Billy to bring that bacon back. Now you got to bring the bacon back. Can't come home. Can't come home without mama's money. You cannot come home without mama's
We'll
money.
feed him every Friday.
Man.
Bring him bacon.
Facts.
Okay.
So what do you think this? How like with what you chose already? What do you think it could flip to?
There's no telling. There's no telling because it all depends on the amount of trades that are taken in a given day. If it's 10 trades, it's one thing. If it's 20 trades, it's another. And that all depends on how much that $41,000 number goes up and down throughout the day. So it just there's no real way to know. You know, it's safe to say that you can set a target of a few percentage points per day, and you can hit that if you're actively, setting up a system to consistently do that. So, as long as nothing catastrophic happens in the market.
Yeah.
Because that can always happen.
Yeah,
Bitcoin can always go back to 5,000.
I don't know.
You just got to have enough coin if and when that happens to continue to play the game as it goes back up again.
Well, we'll definitely keep adding to the pot.
No doubt, man. Hey, and this is a successful situation. I got everything I needed to get to, I think, just kind of share with the world and share with everybody else a snippet of what the heck it is, because it's kind of hard to describe. I'm not a computer programmer, so I don't really know how to say how it is going on. I did build it, but first time, I think I need to be able to show people. So
no, this is cool.
Here it
if
is.
someone knows finance, they would see that now they have Bitcoin, and like I have Bitcoin now.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Trading for you. All right, man.
Very
Well,
good.
that's it, brother. That is the BillyBot, aka the Skybot, aka the Brand Bot, aka Harlow Bot.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Amazing.
You're welcome. Gotta put the
definitely
BBUSA on it.
good.
Put the BBUSA on it, man.
It's going to look real good.
Yeah. But I was gonna have to build on my phone, which would be an interface for someone to download so they could interact. Oh,
Facts.
So that's that.
Hey, well,
brother, I will.
Hey, you see this right here, sir?
What happened?
Do you see what I'm sharing?
It's not showing anything.
Hold on.
Something happened. You just went away altogether when you did that.
What about now? You see like a website?
I don't see nothing. Maybe I have to click something. It's just showing you. Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Okay. I guess that's as big as it's gonna go. Okay, I see Tyson though.
Okay, bam. So this is one of our new websites. BBUSA.io.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I could just add the service to the cart now.
Whoa.
That's how we come in.
When this happened?
Recently, I was talking to my designer Megan, and then out of nowhere, she just built this whole website.
Okay.
So we're adding to it now and stuff, but it's gonna be nice.
Wow.
So
Okay.
yeah, that's that. I just wanted to show you that.
I love it, man. That's dope.
Thank you.
Getting to it.
Oh yeah. But yeah, that was all I had. I'll show you when it's fully done now.
Yeah, man. I want to see it. No, I want to see it. Uh-oh, looks like your trade is already going in the other direction. Back to break even.
Really?
Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy. Move it on up there, Billy.
Billy.
Come on, Billy. Get to work.
See, this is one of those things. You just gotta set it and go to sleep.
Yeah. For sure, all day. That's the only way. That's the whole point of doing it. But that's that, man. I'm about to cook some dinner, brother. I gotta make this cabbage.
Cool. Hey, have a good one, man. Enjoy. Hope
All right.
Bomb.
And thank you for participating, man.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
Shit.
Talk to you in a bit.
All right, G.
Peace.